welcome to my channel, 𝓭𝓸𝓷𝓽. And as you saw, today I'm going to be showing you how to bling these gorgeous little cherries. I actually got these from Amazon thanks to Lori from Smiling Cats Couture, guys. She had these and I was like, oh my god, I need to bling those. So I ordered them. I'm gonna link her channel down below, guys. Go check it out because she has the most gorgeous Murakami collection, guys. Louis Vuitton collection. Oh my god. So she had to have these, and guys, I did too. And just to make these a little better, we're gonna bling them out. So I'm gonna show you exactly how to do it, step by step, beginner friendly. Let's get into it. I'm going to begin by prepping the cherries so I can bling them. So again, these are from Amazon. This is how they look before we bling them, okay? I'm going to put some napkins on my table because I am going to be filing down the cherries just a tiny bit so the rhinestones can attach better to them. I have a buffer right here and I'm just going to go very carefully around the cherries, not going over the face because you can feel right here that the face is actually printed onto the cherry, and if I go over it, it's going to come off. So just very carefully around everything else. I mean, you could bling over them just like that, but I want to make sure it lasts longer, you know what I mean? So just going over everything very carefully, making sure I don't scratch off that face. And I'm doing that to both of them. So right here, you guys can see how I'm kind of going around the face, you know what I mean? So I don't fall it down accidentally. Okay, so now that I'm done, I'm gonna go ahead and clean off all that dust. I got a clean napkin, and I'm gonna pour some alcohol on it. Very carefully because I don't want to mark off that face. Sometimes the alcohol takes off, you know, paint or whatever. Let me see. It doesn't seem like it came off, but just, you know, cautiously clean off those cherries. Okay, I think I'm safe. So I wiped clean these cherries. The alcohol did okay over the face. And this is how they look now. I'm going to clean off my area. Okay, to start bedazzling, I am going to be using some rhinestones. These are transparent and these are the size SS8. This is going to be my main size. I also have my pickup tool and I'm going to be using liquid fusion in my applicator bottle. So here are my cherries. I am going to start off right at the top. One cherry at a time, obviously. So I'm going to start off with this cherry and I'm going to go ahead and apply liquid fusion on this top area. Go row by row in a circular pattern and work my way down to the bottom, guys. Very easy, very simple. I want to use transparent rhinestones because since it does have a face, I want to be able to see it. And I don't want to use red rhinestones because then, you know, it's going to look very pretty. But once it gets to the face, it's going to look a little weird, just leaving this area transparent and this red. I don't know if you guys can visualize it, but yeah. So that's why I'm just going in with transparent rhinestones. You're still going to be able to see the red and then this cute little face. So I'm going to go in with my row of liquid fusion. And then I'm going to go in with my transparent rhinestones. I hope it's not too hard for you guys to see, but I'm just applying the rhinestones all around this edge. Okay, so there is my first row with transparent rhinestones. I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing, applying my liquid fusion and continuing row by row. It's very easy, guys. And I'm not following any specific pattern. I'm just going around and applying the rhinestones. Okay, so you guys are seeing how it's coming together. Working here is a bit hard because they are very close together, but I'm just going to continue doing the same thing, applying my glue row by row and then continuing filling it in. You guys can see how it looks. Super cute. Okay, so I went around quite a bit already. I did this middle area. Working right here over the face, it's still gonna be the same thing. I'm gonna continue doing my rows right over it. Same thing with my transparent rhinestones. Trying to keep my rows as straight as possible. So right here, I went over the eyes and you can see how you can still see it. They're transparent rhinestones. They do have like that little shimmer because they are rhinestones, but you can still see through the eyes perfectly. I'm just going to continue with my rows. So now I'm making my way to the middle. As you can see, it's coming around. Look how cute that is. I'll show you guys in a bit how it looks. Just a little sneak peek. I'm going to continue with my rows, working my way to the middle. Still using my SS8 and working by sections. Okay, so I am done with this little cherry, guys. Look how cute it is. Oh my god. Everything is bedazzled with the transparent rhinestone. Look at that. So cute. I am gonna let this dry for a bit, maybe like an hour or so before I get started on this one, because I want to be able to grab this one so I can work on this one. You know, if I'm working on this, I might accidentally touch this one and I don't want to mess it up. So I'm gonna let it dry and then I'm gonna do that one and I'll come back to show you guys how they both look. Okay, so I am done. Look at this. I actually let them dry overnight and now I can grab them without, you know, messing up the rhinestones. But look at this. I love the transparent rhinestones because it does have that little shimmer of the bling, but yet I can still see everything. The color of the cherries, the eyes, the mouth. Look how adorable this is. Everything is bedazzled on these cherries. I was thinking about doing this green, but guys, if I'm being honest right now, I can't find my green Sharpie. And that's what I did last time that I bedazzled the cherries to kind of make it look like, look, this is the one I did last time. So you can see how it's green and bedazzled. That's what I wanted to do here. I can't find my Sharpie. So I'm going to leave it like this for now. And if I find it, I'm going to bedazzle it just like this. I'm going to link the video down below of this one, just in case you guys want to bedazzle your leaf. You know exactly how to do it. And it's going to come out just like this. Look how cute that would look, right? Look. Oh my god, yes, I need to do that. I need to find my damn Sharpie. So yeah, for now, I'm going to leave it like this. It's still super adorable. Shout out to Lori because she's the one that told us about these super cute Murakami Coach inspired cherries. I love how they came out, guys. They're so cute. So let me know. I don't know. Should I do it green or should I just leave it like this? Let me know. Let me know. Look at that. That look cute, right? So leave me a lovely comment down below. Now you know how to bling your own little cherry charm. Again, if you want to learn how to bling this one, I will put the link to this DIY video down below. Materials are always linked down below. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned a little something. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe if you have not. If you already did, thank you so much. Let me know what you think. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.